In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice in Lovable AI. By the end, you'll be speaking your prompts and watching them appear instantly on the screen. We'll start by confirming your microphone is ready, then enable it for the site, and finally use the built-in voice feature inside the prompt box. First, open the Lovable dashboard in your browser. Give the page a moment to load so everything on the screen is ready to go. Before we use voice, make sure your microphone is turned on and available to your computer. If you're using a headset or an external mic, plug it in securely, check that it isn't muted, and confirm your system is seeing input from it. Keeping the mic close and speaking in a quiet space will make transcription more accurate. Next, look at your browser's address bar. Click the site information icon right next to the page address. This opens your site permissions. Find the microphone setting and switch it on so the site is allowed to listen when you use voice. If your browser shows a small prompt asking for permission, approve it. Some browsers may ask you to apply the change immediately. Just follow the on-screen message. After this, you're back on the Lovable dashboard with microphone access enabled for the site. Now let's use the voice feature. Locate the prompt box where you normally type your instructions. Inside that box, you'll see a small microphone icon. Click the microphone icon once. You should notice visual feedback indicating that voice input has started. In many cases, you'll see a changing indicator or hear a subtle cue that confirms it's listening. Begin speaking naturally and clearly. As you talk, Lovable will start transcribing your words directly into the prompt box. Keep a steady pace and enunciate key terms, especially names of tools or specific technical phrases, to help the system capture them accurately. Watch the words appear on the screen as you go. This live feedback makes it easy to adjust your volume or phrasing if needed. When your thought is complete, pause briefly so the transcription can catch up and review what's on the screen. If you spot a minor typo, you can quickly correct it by hand before submitting. If you don't see transcription start, double check that your mic permission is allowed and that your physical mic isn't muted. That's all it takes to use voice in Lovable. Open the dashboard, enable your microphone for the site, click the mic inside the prompt box, and speak while it transcribes in real time. Enjoy faster prompting and a smoother workflow.